Hello dear students, welcome back to biology class. In this video let us continue with the 8th chapter, that is cell, the unit of life. In this video let us discuss about cilia and flagella. Cilia, it's a plural, in singular it is cilium, whereas flagella, it is a plural and singular flagellum. The cilia, it is a Latin word or it is derived from Latin, which means eyelash, whereas flagella is also derived from Latin and it means whip-like structure. Both cilia and flagella, they are hair-like outgrowths of the cell membrane. They are hair-like outgrowths of the cell membrane. Whereas the cilia, it is comparatively much smaller. You look at this is a paramecium. The surface of this, the outer surface of this, the paramecium, the body of the paramecium, it is surrounded by, or it consists of thousands of hair-like outgrowths. These outgrowths are known as cilia. This cilia, they cause the movement either the cell or the surrounding fluid, whereas flagella, it's comparatively longer and it is responsible for cell movement. You look at this is a euglena and this is flagella, okay, which is longer than that of the, comparatively longer than that of the cilia. Both cilia and flagella, they helps in the locomotion. Now let us discuss about the structure of cilia and flagella. Structurally both cilia and flagella are same. In prokaryotic bacteria also possesses flagella, but the structurally they are different from that of eukaryotic cells, flagella of eukaryotic cells. Structurally, cilia and flagella, they are covered with a plasma membrane. Inner to the plasma membrane, there is a core called axoneme. This is the plasma membrane. Here it is very clear, this is a plasma membrane, and inner to this there is a core called axoneme. This axoneme contains the number of microtubules and these microtubules run parallel to the axis. This is a cross section of cilia and flagella. So here this is the outer covering, it is plasma membrane, and the remaining part it is axoneme. So in the axoneme there are 9 pairs of doublets radially arranged, and in the center there is a one pair or 2 tubules, or I can say microtubules. Hence this arrangement is known as 9+2 array. What is this 9+2 array? In the center there are 2 microtubules and they are interconnected by a bridge which is made up of protein. In the peripheral region there are 9 doublets which are arranged parallel, which run parallel to the axis. So you look at this, these are peripheral doublets and they are 9 pairs. Look at this, 1, 2, this is one pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this arrangement of the microtubules is known as 9+2 array. Whereas in the center, as I said, there are 2 microtubules and they are connected by a bridge made up of protein. And these 2 central microtubules, they are surrounded by a sheath called central sheath. Here you can see this is a central sheath. Whereas peripheral microtubules, Each peripheral microtubule, they consist of two tubules. One is tubule A, this is tubule A, and this is tubule B. In the tubule A, there are 13 microfilaments are present, whereas in the tubule B, there are 10 protofilaments. Protofilaments or microtubules are present. Then the adjacent microtubules, for example this doublet and this doublet, they are interconnected by a protein filament, proteinaceous structure called nexin. So each doublet, they are connected by a bridge. Here you can see this is the connection between two doublets, adjacent doublets. So it is known as nexin. Okay, and each doublet, it has two arms. One is outer arm and another one is inner arms. They are made up of protein called dynein protein. You look at this. This is the outer arm and this is inner arm. And each doublet, it is connected to the central sheath by a structure called radial spoke. You look at this. This is a doublet and here is a structure, and this structure is known as a radial spoke. Look at this. So this is a radial spoke. And both cilium and flagella, they arise from a centriole-like structure, and the centriole-like structure is known as basal body. The centriole-like structure is known as what? Basal body. Okay. So this is about the structure of cilia and flagella. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.